Well, the Governor had a fireside chat at a conference, but it wasn't warm and cosy. She noted that we've had shock after shock after shock, and she worried that if more shocks in the Middle East keep inflation elevated and people adjust their inflation expectations upwards, the more entrenched inflation is likely to become. So the odds of a rate hike on Melbourne Cup Day next month are currently 28%, and by December, 40%. And here's a completely meaningless statistic. On 62% of Cup days, nothing happened at all, apart from some horse races. Oil did go up again last night after that Gaza hospital was blown up and the price of Brent crude went back above $90 a barrel. The good news is that the economy is much less oil intensive than it was. This graph shows the amount of oil consumed per dollar of GDP, and it's less than half what it was during the oil shocks of the 1970s. That's probably cold comfort for motorists paying more than $2 a litre right now. The Aussie dollar didn't go up very much today, so markets were not especially shocked by Michele Bullock's non-fireside chat. The share market crept a little higher. Whitehaven coal shares jumped 11% or so after it won the auction for BHP's coal mines with a bid of $6.4 billion. And the owner of Triple M radio stations, Southern Cross Media, got a $330 million non-binding nibble from the owner of KISS FM, AR Media. Southern Cross Media management responded tartly that the offer was unsolicited, complex and highly conditional, and shareholders should sit tight. But the price jumped 18%, so a few did take the extra money and scarper today. And finally, global markets were uniformly flat, and that's finance.